Everybody, it's Scott Smith from Southern California. Just wanted to do a little bit of a different video this time and give you some sound characteristics of the new BMW M235 Coupe. I think this is our fourth one or our third one that just came into the dealer. One of my friends here, Steve's going to help us out. He's going to jump in the car for us, handle the throttle response. Go for it, Steve. Whenever you're ready, Steve. Very nice. I'm going to do the same thing underneath the hood here. Sorry for the wind, we're up here on the roof. Usually this is where the best space is. Let me get this pop open for us, or Steve's going to snag it for me. All right. Always look pretty, huh? Nice covering, organized. Cool. There we go, guys, ladies. Thought I'd give you a little bit more of a video with a little bit something different. Something with a little bit more sound about the car. I think this one's pretty loaded. Over 51 grand. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you can. I'll try to keep stuff interesting. Also, give me a thumbs up. Everybody else will know, hey, I'm trying. Have a good one.